Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. So we're going to do kind of a part 2 to the sandblasting Oakley's video, and that's going to be the actual coating of my stepson's Christmas present. The Oakleys we have in the shop for him are 5 squares. I haven't done a pair of those yet. It's been mostly gas cans that we've had here in the shop just because they give you so much surface on the sides to do. These are similar to those. They've got kind of a bigger wing on the side and then it tapers down to a normal ear stem. And what he wanted is to do some kind of red and black theme because the local school system is red and black. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay on a base coat of USMC red, hang it on the rack, let it air cure, pop it in the oven, get it tacked out, so about 6 minutes on polymer at 180. Bring it out, let it cool, and then we're going to spray graphite black over that, pop in the oven for probably about 3 minutes because we want it, that stage in between wet where you'll leave a fingerprint and tacked out. We want that sticky zone in the middle, so that we can go back with some acetone and just battle wear those. So it should be a pretty simple project. We'll do that. We'll spray some high gloss over top once it comes out of the oven at 180 for 2 hours. And we'll have some pictures at the end of the video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs, and have a great day.